Richard, we've travelled to Moutier today. We're here at Applitec. You've been supplying their products in the UK market for some time now. Could you give our audience just a very quick overview of what their products are and where they fit?
Absolutely. I'm pleased to say I've represented Applitec now for something like 20 years or more, and we have been selling these range of products into the sliding head fraternity of users in the UK, predominantly inserts and cutting inserts, but also cutting saws, carbide saws, ISO inserts and general carbide tooling.
You have a lot of success. Why are their products popular for your users?
From our perspective, I think they remain consistently the most effective, the most consistent, most used on machines.
And they've been developing tools here for many, many years. In fact, I'm going to go and speak with Francois in a minute about the product range and about the factory. In your opinion, are they one of the best manufacturers of sliding head lathe tooling in the world?
I certainly believe that. I wouldn't be selling their products if I didn't believe it. But I do maintain the fact that they constantly are looking at innovation. They are looking at new ways, new coatings, new technology. Where they're recently introduced a laser-generated insert program, which is superb. They only can go from strength to strength.
Okay, I'm going to go and meet with Francois. Francois, thank you for the invitation to Applitec's factory here. It is a very, very impressive place. I believe you're celebrating your 30th birthday this year. Not you, but the company.
The company, that's right.
Now, it's not easy to be in business for 30 years, so you've obviously done very well, and there's reasons behind that. Tell us what you think the advantages are and the good points are about the products that Applitec produce.
Well, Applitec concentrated really developing and producing the best products as possible for the sliding head machines. And here we are in this region, in the absolute heart where all the story of the sliding heads machine started. So I think from the culture and from our heart, we are really here in the region, in the center of this process.
What would be your most popular selling product?
For sure, actually, it's top line, our main range, biggest range of insert, very specialized and dedicated for the sliding head machines.
And what makes the top line popular?
For sure, it's an outstanding performance first, and then a very wide range of solution from the catalog. We have certainly the widest range of different geometries, sizes, grades that covers almost all the needs of our customers without making any special.
So this is where all the inserts are done. Let's go and have a look at where the tool holders are made.
Okay.
So if you're making 1 million inserts a year, the tool holder bodies, how many of these are you making roughly?
I don't know, but it's many thousands per month.
And this is where it all happens? This is where all the tool holders are made?
Yeah. We make also 100% of our holding for the inserts.
So can you pick one of these up behind you and just talk us through how you're making this tool holder?
Yeah. So the holder is basically made out of a round bar. It's the only way to ensure a perfect squareness of the holder. If you buy a square raw material, the squareness is never perfect.
So you do the machining and then you grind these, yeah?
Then we grind them and it makes a blank. And then we machine one by one the pocket on a 5-axis machine.
So this would be for a top-line product, is that right?
This is for a top-line product, exactly.
Okay, then behind us here, can you pick up one of these? This is what would go on the platen of a sliding head lathe. Is that right? So is this your Moutier system?
Yeah, that's for the nano machine, for the small watchmaker machine.
And here then you could put, what, 1, 2, 3, how many tools would you get on this one? You're looking at 5, 6
here
tools.
We put 6 tools on such compact design.
And this is all being milled and ground here as well in this factory?
Absolutely. What we don't do here in-house is the heat treatment of those parts.
So that's the only thing. Everything else, the machining, the grinding, all the assembly, everything is done here.
That's right, absolutely.
And it is very evident from walking around the whole plant here that you're a big believer in automation.
For sure, it's the only way for us to produce in an efficient way and be able to sell Swiss products.
And the machines that you've got in here that are making the tool holders, we're talking about some seriously high precision 5-axis technology, aren't we?
Yeah, we have 4 and 5-axis machine. They are all recent Swiss machines as well.
And behind us here, we can't finish this without talking about the fact that you're using a Tornos machine here. Do you use your own tool holders and tools and inserts on this machine?
Yes, absolutely, for sure. Why not? Naturally, as you can see, we use our own inserts.
And this is where everything, all your stock is housed in here.
Absolutely, everything is here. Inserts are kept out of the Cardex stocking machine because it's a need. We have to pick insert at the same time at so many different places. So it's the only efficient way we found is to keep it on the shelves.
And when it comes to the European market, if you place an order with you today, when's it going to land?
Basically, it will be by our agent in every European country next day.